How to remove Google Chrome as default browser on Android phone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do it. And if you find this useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Now the first step that you need to do is to go and open your phone settings. Then once you are on your phone settings, you are going to scroll down. Then you are going to tap on apps. Then again tap on apps. So here you are going to tap on search apps. Then search for Chrome. So it will appear on the search result there. So tap on it. Then it will land you here on app info. So once you are here, you are just going to scroll down. Then you are going to see open by default. So tap on it. Then scroll down. Then you are going to see clear defaults at the bottom there. So tap on it in order to remove Chrome as your default browser. So once you've done that, you can now go back to the main settings. Now here you are going to select default apps. Tap on it. Then you can go to browser app. Now you can select the browser which you want to set as your default. So you can select Brave or Edge or any other browser that you have on your Android phone. And that's simply it, guys. That's how to remove Chrome as default browser on your Android phone. I hope this was useful, and if it was, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one.